So here we are, day 18 of the quarantine sessions. Happy birthday goes out to my lovely wife Mallory. And here's a song that my buddy Steve Quinlan brought to the Jam Cave a long time ago when we were calling ourselves the Rotigo Boys. But it's a Gordon Lightfoot song. Let's see if I can play it. In the early morning rain, with $1 in my hand and an aching in my heart and a pocket filled with sand, I'm a long ways from home and I miss my loved ones so. In the early morning rain, with no place to go, hear the mighty engines roar, see the silver bird on high, she's away and westward bound, far above the clouds she flies, the morning rain don't fall and the sun always shines. She'll be flying over my home in about 3 hours time. This old airport's got me down. It's no earthly good to me, but I'm stuck here on the ground, cold and drunk as I can be. Well, the whiskey tasted good and the women all were fast. Well, there she goes, my friend. She's coming down at last. You can't jump a jet plane like you can a freight train. So I must be on my way in the early morning rain. You can't jump a jet plane like you can a freight train. So I must be on my way in the early morning rain. Well, not sure if I got it exactly right, but that's Early Morning Rain by Gordon Lightfoot, one of Canadian singer-songwriters, one of the best. Anyway, have a great night, and I'll be back tomorrow.